Konnichiwa kimono wearers. 12 months have passed and we are back in Japan. Nozawa Snow, Mount Fuji and Tokyo will be tickling our fancies for over 2 glorious weeks. Check out these holiday highlights. Nozawa delivered again. You know it's special when the big issue is, will it ever stop snowing? Jaffa doing his thing. Who put that friggin' tree there? Hot dog getting saucy. Jaffa sending it straight down. Ramen is loving it. The farmer loves to carve a turn. And introducing Merenhedo. Nope, this is not in slow-mo. Now let's do Mount Fuji and Kawaguchiko. Glorious days there. Too much to do in mighty Tokyo. We busy ourselves with some temple culture, some sakura, Team Labs impressed to the max, J-League. And the food in Japan never let us down. Wagyu yakiniku, diving into bowls of ramen, katsu this and katsu that, sushi and, well, pizza. Lucky we brought our stretchy pants. Well, there's the quick highlights. More detailed vids to come. Sign up, smash the like button, tell your friends, tell your pets, tell your neighbour's cat. And as usual, thanks for watching. Until next time, stay safe, wear a helmet.